Hello, in this video I'm going to show you 5-minute scalping strategy for Forex, stocks, crypto using SSL channel, and it works on every time frame. Okay, so first you need SSL channel by Erwin Becker's here, and then you need Chaikin Money Flow. Okay, Chaikin Money Flow, it's this one. So the settings are all default. Okay, all default. All right. Okay, so for sell, you want the SSL channel. The red line has to be above the green line, okay? And the Chaikin money flow has to be below 0. All right. So this is your sell signal. And where is your stop loss? So your stop loss is basically you look for when is the last time the SSL channel flip up, okay? It's here. So between here and our entry, where is the highest point? Here and here. Where is the highest point? So it's here. So that's where our stop loss is, okay? Just slightly above that. And you can target 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.5, okay? Okay, so you can target that here. And another thing is if you, okay, so this is our entry, yeah? So if the price goes above our original entry, okay, it's here. So here and here, you can enter here and here as long as the SSL channel doesn't flip, okay, and the Chaikin money flow is still below 20, okay. So you can enter here and here, and you have a smaller stop loss, okay. And okay, so you have a signal here as well, but if you see small candle like this, doji like this, I usually don't enter a trade. Okay, the market is dead. Okay, so here we have another signal. So okay, we have a signal. So when is the last time the SSL channel flip up? Okay, it's here. So between here and here, where is the highest point? So it's here. This is highest point, so that's our stop loss is. You can target 1 to 2. Okay, 1 to 2. Oh, it's difficult. 1 to 2. Okay, so basically, if you see big candle like this, yeah, I actually will wait for the price to retrace. Okay, so I don't enter when you have the candle this big. So basically, you just wait, and you can enter here, here, and here, and here, as long as it's higher than the original entry point here. So this is our original entry point, so it has to be higher, and you can enter here because the SSL channel doesn't flip, okay, and the Chaikin money flow is still below 0. So you actually have a smaller stop loss. So it's actually better to wait. Okay, so you can enter here. So original stop loss here, and you can target 1 to 2. Okay, you can target 1 to 2. All right. So again, another entry here. So this is our sell. Okay, it's below 0, the Chaikin money flow, and it flipped down. So your stop loss is here. And like I said, the candle is too big. Okay, you don't want to enter. Doesn't matter what trading system you use. When you see candle this big, you don't enter. So basically, you wait. Okay, you wait for retracement. So you can enter here. Okay, you can enter here because Chaikin money flow is still below 0, and the SSL channel doesn't flip. Okay, so you can enter here. So your stop loss is smaller. So where is your stop loss? So okay, here between here and here, where is the highest point? So it's here. So slightly above that. So okay, you can enter that. You can target 1 to 2. Okay. So we have signal here, and this is your stop loss. Okay, and you can enter 1 to 2, or you can wait. You can use the SSL channel as your exit. Okay, so when it flip up, you exit. Okay, personally, I like to use a fixed risk reward. Okay, so for buy, it's the same thing, just the opposite. Okay, so you have a signal here, and the Chaikin money flow is above 0 line. So you can enter here, and this is your stop loss. Okay, so this is the lowest point here. So like I said, if you see candle like this, just wait for it to retrace. Okay, so you can enter here and here. All right, so the problem is if you wait, you might miss a trade. Okay, so that's the downside of it, but it's much safer. So you can, let's say you enter here. Okay, so the Chaikin Money Flow is still above the 0 line, and the SSL channel doesn't change color, so you can enter that. And the stop loss is the same. Okay, so you have a much smaller stop loss. All right, so you can target 1 to 2, let's say, or you can wait until SSL channel change color, then you can exit. Okay, so you can do that as well. Okay, so you have a buy here. Okay, and your stop loss is here. All right, so you have buy here, and then you have a red candle here, so you can enter here. It's actually much better. Okay, you can enter here, and your stop loss is here. All right, so that's it. If you like the video, please subscribe, and if you have any question, just ask me, okay, down below.